first go for the company research. Okay, just go through how they are crafting their job description. Not everything is necessary. Most of the things are redundant because they work on different technologies and they like to brag them about in their job description.
Start preparing 6 months prior from the placement season, because let's be honest, there's a tough competition for the job.
For me, what I think is you should be real. You shouldn't be fake. Like, you should not write things you don't know in the CV, and the CV must be the profile you are applying for oriented.
You should go and just own the room. Yeah, like, you should own it with confidence. You've done the preparation. Now nothing's gonna change.
It is very important to express yourself, to explain the things you know, so that he could understand and engage the interviewer as much as possible.
Don't forget the basics. अगर basics एकदम standard questions नहीं करके जाओगे ना, and in the interview you go and they ask you the most standard question and you're thinking over it. So that should not happen.
There are certain HR questions which you have to deal with, which will be like what you want to do further in your life, or why do you want to join this company, or some of these questions apart from the technical questions that you will be given to answer. So for these HR questions, you cannot just skip the preparation part. You have to prepare for it, so to avoid the nervousness that you will face in front of an interviewer.
For the core, I would suggest that you should have a strong academic performance, and beside that you should have some proper internship in the field of core itself.
For core jobs, you need following 5 things. Like, CPI is very important in there. A good CPI is always a plus point. A good recommendations from a good professor, some publications and some recommendations are a pro point.
The problem is that in India the scope of CS jobs is growing relatively faster, and the scope of non-CS jobs is not as much as you have for software jobs.
I would say explore every field. Like, right from the first year, try to explore both core and non-core. So eventually when your 4th year approaches, you will ultimately realize where you want to go.
After a few years, the pay scale of both the core and the non-core fields are equal. If you're sitting for the core jobs, you're doing something that you have a degree in and that you actually love doing.
अब कॉलेज का ऐसा सिनारियो हो गया है कि सबकी जॉब अच्छी लग जाएगी, इवन इफ यू आर फ्रॉम माइनिंग, इवन इफ कंप्यूटर साइंस. हाँ, डिफिकल्ट होगा दोनों के लिए, अंतर होगा दोनों में. जैसे CSC वालों को आसानी से मिल जाएगी जॉब, बट माइनिंग विल हैव टू फाइट मोर फॉर दैट.
One thing that I have been grown knowing the fact that was, अगर job चाहिए तो coding आनी चाहिए. But it is not at all the case. There are management consulting sectors, there are analytics sector that doesn't require stringent coding requirements.
IIT में करोड़ की job लगती है. Never go for those higher jobs and never think about these myths. You have to work hard and you have to focus on what you're doing and not on the huge hefty packages.
When I was in first year, many of my seniors told me that CPI doesn't matter, but the thing is that CPI matters a lot, and you should maintain here about 7.5 and above in case you are in the circular branches, and above 8 in case you are from the other branches, because the companies actually choose the students only on the basis of CPI initially, and then they interview you. So it's important to maintain a good CPI, and it's also important to have some PORs as well.
To eradicate these myths, one should actually build a good network with their seniors, talk to them about placements and ask their doubts accordingly.
I cried a lot. Frankly speaking, I cried a lot. And there were a lot of friends of mine who were there to handle me and who were supporting me all the time. So it's important that you have a good group of friends with whom you can discuss questions, with whom you can discuss everything, that what's happening around.
Placement exams will start right from September. The first September they'll start. Okay? Then after that, what will happen? Eventually the results will start coming out. How many people are shortlisted for a certain company? And then if you don't see your name in it, you will feel depressed. That is but obvious thing. But you should not get depressed. You have to focus on your preparation.
You should focus on cracking out the written examination first, and you should prepare out small groups of people, like 4 or 5 people, and they should prepare for the interviews all together.
For dealing with peer pressure, it's very necessary to be in contact with some positive and like-minded people.
After learning from the placement session, what I felt is that's not the end. There are many off-campus opportunities, and you will get what you deserve. Not today, maybe tomorrow, not after just graduating from your college, but you will get that. Make sure that at the end of the third year or at the starting of the fourth year when you're applying for placement, you are clear in which profile you want to go.
Being the premier institute of this country, I would say it has a lot to offer, and you really need actually have a lot to learn from this.
Explore the city, go around with friends, do good in your academics as well. I'm not saying you get a 6-pointer and then घूमते रहो पूरे time.
Job is just a part of your life. It is not everything. You should have a pretty much big aim, like what is your aim for the next 5 years? What is your aim in the next 10 years? And you should focus on developing your personality rather than getting out of job.
These are the last 4 years of your life that you are going to actually enjoy. And आगे जाकर तो बस काम रहने वाला है. So enjoy it.
प्लेसमेंट लाइट होता है, हमारा TPO बहुत अच्छा है, तुम्हारी जॉब लग जाएगी. लाइफ में सिर्फ जॉब एक चीज़ नहीं होती है. जब तुम कॉलेज छोड़ के जाओगे तो जॉब इज द लास्ट थिंग दैट यू विल थिंक अबाउट. तुम लोगों को बाकी सारी चीज़ें याद आएंगी कि हाँ ये भी करना चाहिए था, ये भी करना चाहिए था. सो डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू इन द कॉलेज दैट यू हैव इन योर माइंड.
Everything, like let's say the first year anxiousness regarding branch change, and then growing up, like coming to sophomore year, and then again in the events and participating in every fest, being in the organization team.
I'll miss the greenery of this campus because anywhere I have been till now, this is the most green and vast campus I have experienced, and the people here are very friendly, so I'll miss them most.
Sometimes it's the little elements that you miss, like entering an 11 o'clock class at 11:15 and sneakily going up to the last bench and sitting there.
We'll be going into a metro city in Bangalore, Pune. वहाँ पे इतना अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलेगा, कचौड़ी सब्जी वगैरह नहीं मिलने वाला वहाँ पे, तो वो तो बहुत याद आने वाली है. और बाकी दोस्त तो obviously, but we'll try making trips after college also.
Being with your peers, the night outs, everything, all those bakchodis in the room.
Even after 50 years, whenever you come to this campus, you again become that 18 years old kid who don't know anything and is like ready to enter into the corporate world. So that fun, that liveliness will always be there when you leave this college. So I think that would be it.